Hello, my name is Cecilia Dobbs-Walton and I'm the Public Affairs Specialist for the City of Biloxi. I'm here to deliver today's Be Prepared report. This is being recorded on Thursday, May the 21st, 2020 at 2:45 in the afternoon. Today, the Mississippi State Department of Health reports that in the past 24 hours, 255 new cases of the coronavirus were identified throughout the state. The department also reports 10 new deaths. This chart shows you the overall total since the crisis began. This chart shows the daily comparison of new cases reported in the state over the past 14 days. In Harrison County, there were 4 new cases reported in the past 24 hours and no new deaths. This chart shows the 14-day trend in Harrison County. In Jackson County, there were 3 new cases of the coronavirus identified and no new deaths. No new cases or deaths were reported in Hancock County. Biloxi took a huge step today with the reopening of the city's casinos. 7 of the 8 opened, and the Beau Rivage is set to reopen on June the 1st. Lest we forget, this reviving of this industry means that 5,000 more hotel rooms are now available in Biloxi. Social distancing guidelines are in place, as well as a host of safety measures for operators, employees, and patrons. It's all under the guidance of the Mississippi Gaming Commission, and operators and the public know what is expected. This is the same thing we've seen on a small scale over the past several weeks. Mayor Gillage has met with various sectors of the economy, explaining the safety guidelines outlined in the city's Opening Up Biloxi Again plan. Public safety, public health, and being responsible have been the focus of the meetings. The entire set of guidelines was distributed citywide on May 1st. We have seen retail, restaurants, attractions, barbershops, gyms, and even salons open. This Saturday and Sunday, you'll be able to go to church. Edgewater Mall, they continue to report record-setting business and in a safe and climate-controlled environment. But even with all of that, today, Mayor Gillage says we have reached a new milestone. We are on a new plateau. Consider this. We are ahead of gaining jurisdictions across the country. But that also means we need to be careful how we move forward. Who cares about Biloxi, you wonder? Well, just the other day, in the middle of all the coronavirus news, we were reminded of Biloxi's reach and appeal. It was in the New York Times crossword puzzle, on Sunday, no less, April the 26th. The clue for 78 down was Gambler's Alternative to Las Vegas, Nevada, or Atlantic City, New Jersey. And the answer? Biloxi, Mississippi, of course. We are in a buyer's market right now. The mayor has said this more than once over the past several days. Biloxi has the opportunity to showcase our community, our history, our heritage, our hospitality, and of course, many of the amenities we offer. We have an opportunity to make a new impression, and it's up to us to do it right and in a responsible manner. This is not just about casinos opening their doors. It is about the entire community. Restaurants, retailers, attractions, churches, and so many other businesses have been operating for a few days now. Everybody, of course, is watching the numbers in the Mississippi State Department of Health Daily Report, and businesses across Biloxi will be counting something else too, a growing number of curious and anxious customers. All of this as we head into the Memorial Day weekend, new amenities, new rooms, and maybe a new sense of responsibility. On behalf of Mayor Gillage, we ask all of you, business operators, employees, residents, and visitors to please make sure you do your part and do the right thing. Make all of us proud. Remember, make sure we follow the guidelines, be safe, and remember, this is a great opportunity with a huge audience. Here now, arriving soon, and merely considering their options while watching from afar. Let's show our neighbors and our visitors that yes, we are doing business, and yes, we are doing it safely. We are attracting more than 7 million people a year before all of this began. The city appreciates the loyalty of those who have visited our shores for years. We anticipate they will want to come and see what we have been doing. Let's all remember these things as we approach the weekend. We have reached a milestone and we have done it without incident, and we know to remain cautious but confident. That's the message for today. We leave you today with a visit to Point Cadet Marina and a bird-eye view of the Billfish tournament. We'll see you here again tomorrow.